how to remove inquiries in 24 to 48 hours. Let's go. First things first, we want to contact Experian. We want to contact Equifax and TransUnion. Once you get these people on the phone, you want to ask for the fraud department, and always make sure you're speaking to a U.S. representative, right? Once you get the fraud department on the phone, you want to tell them that you had some unauthorized, unverified inquiries on your credit report that you want deleted off your report ASAP. Then they're going to ask you, they're going to say, okay, which inquiries are the unverified, unauthorized inquiries, so that way we can go in and remove them off your report. Then you'll pull up all the inquiries that's not attached to an open credit card account or an open account that you don't want to remove. You're going to go down the list and give them all the ones you want to remove. And then within 24 to 48 hours, watch them get deleted off your report.